Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the magic eraser or object remover in Pixelcut.ai. Ladies and gentlemen, Pixelcut.ai, we are at the homepage here, and what we want to do is just scroll down over here. You will see we have workflows, we also have edits. So what we're looking for over here is the retouch. All right, and once you tap on this, it'll ask you or prompt you to upload an image. So here is our image. We are now being redirected to this page, and here you can see you have a brush. All right, and you can change the size of the brush. That will be like so big, and it gets up to that size. Now, quite simply, all we have to do is go ahead and click down and drag over exactly what we want to erase. So let's say I want to remove this person from the frame. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Of course, you would have to use a smaller brush to get it a little bit more accurate. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on erase. You can see now that the person has been erased. It actually is very well done. Of course, in an image like this, you would have to do the reflection as well.